This is Mother Nature's superfood. Ditch your multivitamin, peeps. And let me show you how to make this yummy right now. To get rid of the metallic taste is you're going to run it under water. Running it under water will help pull out the iron, which is giving it that metallic taste. 15 minutes, I'll start to cut the membrane off. Now I'm going to place it in the butter with a little bit of Himalayan salt and Celtic salt and let it marinate there another 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to go straight to the skillet. As you can see, guys, we have our liver sauteing in butter. Bam! And here is the result. And this is how you get your multivitamin in.